In this video, we are going to show you how to set up billing and invoicing in teamwork.com, and we'll break it down step by step, so even if you're new to the software, you'll feel comfortable navigating it by the end. Teamwork is a powerful project management tool, and setting up your billing and invoicing system correctly can save you time and streamline your financial processes. To get started with billing and invoicing, you'll need to make sure you have the correct permissions. If you're an admin or have access to the billing section, you're ready to go. First, head over to the Settings tab and look for the Billing and Invoicing section. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the billing section, you'll see a few important options like billing details, payment methods, and subscription plans. The first thing you'll want to do is add your payment method. This is crucial because it allows you to pay for your Teamwork subscription and manage other billing-related tasks. You can link a credit card or use PayPal for easy and secure transactions. Now, let's move to invoicing. Teamwork makes it simple to create invoices for your clients or internal use. Click on the Invoices tab to start. You can create a new invoice by entering client details, adding line items, and selecting a due date. This helps you maintain a clear record of all your transactions in one place. You can also customize your invoices with your business logo, payment terms, and more to match your branding. Teamwork gives you the flexibility to either send invoices directly through the platform or download them to email manually, depending on your workflow preferences. One of the best features of Teamwork's billing system is its integration with time tracking. If you're managing projects with billable hours, you can link your time tracking data directly to your invoices. This way, every time your team logs hours, the software automatically adds them to the corresponding invoice, reducing the chances of missing anything. Next, let's talk about reporting. Teamwork allows you to generate reports that show you an overview of your billing and invoicing. This is especially useful if you want to see which clients are paying on time or track overdue payments. You can export these reports to Excel or PDF for further analysis. And here's something that can make your life even easier. Teamwork offers recurring billing. If you offer services on a subscription basis, you can set up recurring invoices to be sent automatically on the schedule you choose. No need to manually create invoices each time, it's all automated. So you can manage all your invoicing, payments, and reports from one place, saving you time and ensuring everything stays organized. Before we wrap up, remember you can start using Teamwork for free today. Just click the first link in the description below to sign up and get exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. As a bonus, by using our link, you get an extended free trial so you can explore all the features without any commitment. So, if you're ready to streamline your billing and invoicing process with Teamwork, don't wait any longer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out the description for the link to your free trial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.